IDM extension for Google Chrome want to download videos and files from almost any website with just one click? Most people install the IDM extension wrong and miss out on key features, but not you. Watch this short guide to set it up the right way and unlock full downloading power. First, open Google Chrome and search for IDM extension. Look for the official link important. Make sure it's the verified extension with over 20 million users. Click on it. Click the Add to Chrome button. Then when the pop-up appears, click Add Extension. That's it, you're already halfway there. Keep watching because the next step is where most beginners get stuck. Here's the part everyone misses. After installation, look for the IDM extension icon in your browser's toolbar. Click the three-dot menu next to it and select Manage Extension. Pay close attention, this step is critical. Scroll down until you find the settings for Incognito mode and file access. Switch Allow and Incognito to on. Then make sure Site Access is set to on all. Sites skip this and your extension won't work properly on many websites. Your IDM extension is now fully configured. Test it by clicking any downloadable link on a website. Want to unlock even more advanced features? Hit subscribe and watch the next video where I show you how to maximize your download speed.